And they're all gone.
In 4 days. We sold out in 4 days.
Are you going to do another run?
No.
No, that's it.
Yes.
Oh.
I said we would do 20. We did 50,000 hats. And that was $1 million. And they're like, okay, we'll sell something
type of message
for $10 million.
Yeah.
And that
just
was
let them know that we love our stay.
$500 each.
We appreciate it.
They went fast.
Checked out.
Yeah, how do you have the time? How do you have the time to do that, though? I mean, I understand that it's not.
Did we come to a mountain where we came here?
No.
How did that go here?
I just don't understand your time management skills.
I mean, I didn't spend much time on this flamethrower. I mean, to be totally frank, it's actually just a roofing
We're under a
board.
mountain, guys.
Yeah.
It's not a real flamethrower.
Which is why it says not a flamethrower.
That's why we were very clear. This is not actually a flamethrower. And also we were told that various countries would ban shipping of it, but they would ban flamethrowers. So we to solve this problem for all the customs agencies, we labeled it not a flamethrower.
Did it work? Is it effective?
I don't know. I think so. Yes.
So far.
Yes.
Now, but you do.
They said you cannot strip a flamethrower.
But you do so many different things. Forget about the flamethrower. Like, how do you do all that other shit? Like, how does one decide to fix LA traffic by drilling holes in the ground? And who do you even approach with that? Like, when you have this idea, who do you talk to about that?
I mean, I'm not saying it's going to be successful or something. You know, I know it's like asserting that it's going to be successful. But so far, I've lived in LA for 16 years, and the traffic has always been terrible. And so I don't see any other ideas for improving the traffic. So in desperation, we're going to dig a tunnel, and maybe that tunnel will be successful, and maybe it won't.
I'm listening.
Yeah, I'm not trying to convince you it's going to work.
And are the people that
or anyone?
But you're starting this though. This is actually a project you're starting to implement, right?
Yeah, no, we've dug about a mile. It's quite long. It takes a long time to walk it.
Yeah. Now, when you're doing this, what is the ultimate plan? The ultimate plan is to have these in major cities and anywhere there's mass congestion, and just try it out in LA first.
Yeah, it's in LA because I mostly live in LA. That's the reason. It's a terrible place to dig tunnels. This is one of the worst places to dig tunnels because mostly because of the paperwork. People think it's like, what about seismic? It's like, actually, both the tunnels are very safe in earthquakes.
Why is that?
Earthquakes are essentially a surface phenomenon. It's like waves on the ocean. So if there's a storm, you want to be in a submarine. So being in a tunnel is like being in a submarine. Now the way the tunnel is constructed is it's constructed out of these interlocking segments, kind of like a snake. It's sort of like a snake exoskeleton with double seals, and so even when the ground moves, the tunnel actually is able to shift along with the ground, like an underground snake, and it doesn't crack or break, and it's extremely unlikely that both seals would be broken, and it's capable of taking 5 atmospheres of pressure. It's waterproof, methane-proof, or gas-proof of any kind, and meets all California seismic requirements.
So when you